Happy Halloween. Hope you guys had a nice evening. We just got done a little bit ago handing out candy to our trick-or-treaters. We live in a really tiny town, so we don't have that many, and we kind of turned our light off because the Vikings played tonight. So we're in the little pause of that game right now, so I thought I'd make a little introduction for week 12. The biggest thing coming this week is just part 3 of your disease pathology paper. I think my cat Poncho here is going to join me in just a few minutes, so he's very noisy. But one thing I wanted to point out this week is if you haven't been going through and reading any of the notes that I've provided for you from the previous sections of the paper, please make sure that you look through that, because there's oftentimes some APA suggestions that I've made and little tips that will make sure that your final paper gets the best grade possible. For example, if you're not separating the two sections like etiology and pathophysiology and just kind of combining those into one, those need to be separated into two separate headings, and then under that each heading the information that corresponds to that portion of the paper. So make sure you're separating those two things out. And again, really the biggest thing is just following the APA recommendations. So make sure that if you aren't already looking, I know the previous sections of the paper have only been like 10 points, so almost, I think everybody probably got 10 out of 10. So you maybe haven't looked at my comments, but before you maybe submit part 3, and for sure before you submit the final, please make sure that you look those comments over. What else? So week 12 is the quiz, and again, like I said last week, if you could try and get that done as soon as possible in the week, because really the whole purpose of it is for you to understand where maybe you're a little bit weaker in your knowledge and could benefit from studying harder in different areas. That's kind of the purpose of it. So try and get that pre-quiz done. And again, that's an easy 10 points. You don't even have to get them all right to get your 10 points. So that really adds up over the course towards your total final grade. So don't forget to do those. The readings are for chapters 47, 49, 50, and 51. And of course the corresponding PowerPoints. There's some concepts in action that you can watch with that. There's some reading about osteoarthritis, reading about skin damage and ankylosing spondylitis. Several things to watch there. A few other things: acne and rosacea, rashes, rheumatoid arthritis, etc. And so it's really, again, the study guide and part 3 of your paper. And then next week is a break week, so yay, that'll be great. We have intensives, so something to look forward to. One more week and then a little reprieve for a while. So you guys are making it and getting through. I hope you're doing well. If you have any questions or you think that you need anything more from me that I've not provided, please reach out. I look forward to hearing from each of you, and I'm here to help you along the way and get you to the end goal of being nurse midwives. So take care, and I'll talk to you later.